Did you know that the chameleon can change colors? Yes, according to the surroundings, it can morph into any color that it wants. So that gave me one idea. How about we do one chameleon today? For that, we'll need a tree paper cutout, 2 circles, one with the shape of a chameleon and one background paper. Colored paper for the background, 1 2-feet nail, and 1 eye. Let's start off with painting the tree. Okay, I'm done with painting the tree and the leaves. Now let's move on to paint the background for the chameleon. Put this one aside to get dry. And we need this circle to paint. Let's put all different colors for our chameleon. Okay, I'm done with coloring the wheel. Next is, we need to use this. Place it on the top. Use a 2-feet nail. Find a hole in the center. Just put it in. Flip it over and open the 2-feet nail. Okay, so now we can see chameleon can change colors. Next, you need to take the background paper and glue this on the background. Okay, everything is in position. Take the tree cutout, take it out, and be careful. We need to put glue only on one part of the tree. This part of the tree needs to lose, so we don't put glue here. finish the tree by gluing the rest of the leaves. Finish this picture by adding an eye. Okay, eye is in the base. And I'm finished. Take a look at my chameleon changing the colors. How about these two examples? Look at this one here, or maybe this one here. So when you're finished, you can frame it, you can play with it, or you can give it as a gift to your friend. Have fun with this.